it. She sounds good. Alright, so while we get the truck to warm up, I'm gonna give you guys a little story, okay? I was obviously looking at new wheels. I was gonna redo the truck, like new wheels, new wrap and everything. But a deal fell through with the guy that I was trying to get the wheels, or I never got a response. And I kind of got tired of waiting. I started looking for other wheels, and then one day I was dropping something off at one of my family members' house, and I saw this guy with the ZL1 outside, and I started kind of talking to him and asking him questions. And he was selling my dream wheels. Like I haven't even like told you guys what color and what brand I was looking at, but they were way out of my budget, like super expensive. So when I asked him, he said that he'll do, well, he gave me a good price basically. And he also had lowering springs that he took off his SS and didn't want to put him on the ZL1. So I asked him how much, and he kind of gave me like a package deal, and it's just such a good deal to pass up. So we're getting wheels and suspension for the Camaro today. With that being said, the truck does have to wait a little bit for new wheels. I do have some pink wrap that I'm going to be fixing some of the stuff. We are going to keep the pink wrap just for a little bit longer, because obviously I'm dumping a lot of money into the Camaro right now, today actually. And yeah, it's just an offer I couldn't pass up. I hope you guys understand. I did have my mind set, like I said in the last video, to start working on the truck, bring it back to life, and then the Camaro. But I can't cough up a lot of money right now to just do the truck and do the Camaro at the same time. I could, but I have bills and stuff to pay. So I hope you guys understand. We're gonna go pick up my girlfriend real quick, and then we're gonna go head out to get the wheels. The thing I forgot to mention is that, yeah, that thing is louder today. Another thing I forgot to mention is, as you guys know, in one of my previous videos, I complained about the tire on the Camaro being too small for it. We're gonna be running 305s. Like, we're gonna be running meat on this. 305s or 315s. I'm not sure what tire size he said that we're coming on it. But we're gonna be running some meat on this thing. So launching should be no problem now. Same tire compound as that's already on the Camaro right now. It's just obviously a lot wider. I have 275s right now in the rear. We're gonna be running 285s in the front, so should be perfect fitment. I'll get more into it. I probably won't show you guys the wheels this video. It's kind of a teaser. I'll show you guys how wide the tire is though. And then probably in this video we'll do the suspension. Not today, but some point in this video. Alright, so I picked up my girlfriend and now we're on our way to pick up the wheels. What do you think about the wheels?
They're nice.
Like, I think the color combination is gonna be good. It wasn't the color I was going for, because I was planning on wrapping the Camaro, but for the meantime, like, it would be good. And then maybe down the line I could powder coat them another color to match the look I'm intending for. But as far as right now, like, these wheels are gonna look good with the black. I told you guys we were gonna be running meat on this. I meant it. Like, look at this. I don't have a big hand, but you guys can see how big these are. And these are not the wheels. I'm not getting the ZL1 wheels. I'm not gonna show you guys, like I said, but damn, these are wide. I'm excited for this. So you guys are gonna see it sits right under 29 inches. It's almost between 28 and a half and 29. So that's a good start point, just so we know how much it lowers. And then we got about almost 2 inches, a little bit less than 2 inches of a gap. So let's get started on this. What is up, you guys? It is the next day. From the last clip where I was measuring it, I ended up kind of thinking about it. I wasn't gonna do it by myself. Obviously I've never done it. This is the first car I own and work on. Also, it's kind of like a two-person job. You need somebody to hold the wrench. You need an impact. I don't have an impact. So the guy who sold them to me actually was down to install them and help me with it. So we're gonna be heading out to his house. Nothing wrong with asking for help, especially if it's something you're not sure about. And it is a key part of the car, obviously, which is suspension. So we're gonna head over right there. I'm not gonna do too much recording, but I will show you guys after. Let's get a cold start though. At a rough start. See, those are the valves I'm talking about. That's closed, that's open. It does make a really big difference in person. Alright, but we're gonna head out. We're gonna throw in the springs real quick and then we're gonna head out. So I ended up not recording any of it. I just didn't want to like get here stuck for a while just recording. Didn't want to stay in his way. Like, he's already doing me the big favor of like helping me, so I didn't want to like get in the way or get in his face in his home. So it looks really good. I'll show you guys once I get home. We're gonna go for a drive real quick, see how they feel, let them settle in a little bit. They're already settled in the front, and let me tell you guys, it went from like 2 fingers to like 1.5 fingers, and the back went from like 3 fingers to like 3 fingers with like enough gap to move up and down to like 2 tight fingers. So that's what she said. But anyways, yeah, it looks really good. I like how it looks. Can't wait to put the new wheels on. Like I said, for me that's tomorrow after I finish this video. For you guys, it's the next video. These wheels are gonna be really nice. Yeah, I have no side skirts, no lips right now. I need to get that, but for now, these wheels in this drop will do good. We're gonna go for a drive real quick and then let them settle, and then I'll show you guys once I get home. So there we got it all finished up. Ooh. And as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a big difference. It looks kind of weird because these wheels are 245s in the front. We're gonna be running 285s now. But before it was like a solid 2 fingers with a little bit of wiggle. It's about 1 finger now, like sitting flush with the tire. So with the other ones, these are 245 by 40 20s. So the other ones are gonna be 285 30 by 20. So it's gonna fill in this gap a lot better. The rears, it's not slam, but I did have 3 fingers, and now I have about 2, like struggling 2 fingers. So it does look a lot better. Really liking how it looks. I'm not gonna do cinematics because the car obviously doesn't look good without the new wheels, which are yata, almost tomorrow, or you guys the next video, which should be out like 2 days after this video. But yeah, it does look a lot better. We did take some measurements at the beginning of this video, so I'm curious to see what it measures. Honestly, don't know what's the correct way to measure this, but so right now it's about 27.5, or it's actually 27.5. And then in the rears, it is 27.5 actually. I believe we were right under 29 before, so it's about like a 1 inch, 1.5. I don't know. It should settle a little bit more. I don't know if it's settled completely, but it should settle a little bit more. And damn, this angle is so aggressive now. We just need a lip and some side skirts and the new wheels. And this thing is pretty much done besides some exhaust work. And then we go back to this thing with the wheels. Possibly a new wrap, maybe keep the pink. I don't know. I'm kind of digging the silver and the pink, so I might leave it for a little bit. And we're just gonna keep going back and forth. We might have a new build coming to the channel also, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a slower process build, but we'll explain that if we do end up like releasing that we are gonna be working on it. That pretty much wraps it up for today. Tomorrow, like I said, this video will end tomorrow. We're gonna just do the alignment. We're gonna go buy new lug nuts because these stock lug nuts don't fit the new wheels. We're gonna wash it tomorrow, put on the new wheels for the next video, and then you guys will get to see in the next video. Super hyped. I hope you guys like it. I hope I made the right decision and you guys aren't mad that I stripped the truck of its wheels and bought new wheels for this one. But like I said, this is like a $3,000 wheel tire setup, maybe like $3,500 because it has good tires still. So it's like a $3,500 wheel and tire setup that also came with springs that I got for a really good deal. So couldn't pass it up. That thing will have wheels pretty soon. We still have a long time till shows come, so both of these are going to be getting ready pretty soon for that. So but anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow early in the morning, and we'll go get the alignment done and close out the video. But just to show you guys, without showing you guys too much of the wheels, you guys, it is the next day. We are heading over to the alignment shop right now. I got my homie in the back with the 5.0, as you guys can see maybe. Right now we're gonna both go get our alignment. He did get his car lowered. I don't know if I mentioned that, and as you guys know, I did too. So as far as driving right now, it feels really good. It kind of like it kind of keeps that like stock feel, but it gives you like that good stance. These are like drag springs. BMR is known for like having like drag springs. I don't know exactly how it works. I just know that like it just allows the back to squat more and the front to lift. I don't know exactly how it works, but they do feel really good. There's no rubbing issues. My alignment's not even that off, but you know, it's always better to go get an alignment after you do anything suspension wise. So right now we're gonna head over. We're almost there, and after that, we're pretty much over with this video. I still haven't. Oh, I did show you guys the car, but we're gonna take some actual pictures and some videos for the next video. So just stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are excited for the new wheels as much as I was. But yeah, let's get over to the alignment shop. So we got the alignment all done. Right now we're kind of busting a mission. We're trying to look for lug nuts that'll fit the Camaro. The stock lug nuts did not fit the other day. I did not show that, but they did not fit. So I have to go buy some aftermarket ones that are smaller, and they have to be black. Personal preference, but I'm gonna be picky. They have to be black. So this AutoZone didn't have it, so we're gonna go to O'Reilly's. We're gonna go check out other AutoZones. It's a mission. So yeah, once we find them, I'll let you guys know. We got the black lug nuts. Finally, hopefully these fit on the wheels. Obviously you guys won't know until the next video, but thanks for watching. I'm gonna close out the video here. Next video you guys see will be with the new wheels. Sorry for the short vlog. The video probably wasn't the most interesting, just lowering the Camaro and you guys didn't even see the process, but that's all I really had. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.